Hello, we would like to show you today a restoration project with ironweed that we supplied. This is a wetland mitigation and restoration planting project we supplied New York ironweed with. As you can see, Nursery grows hundreds of plants for wetland mitigation, restoration, and reforestation. These ironweed plants that we sold this landowner, they're flourishing. Some is as tall as 3 feet. Look at all the ironweed plants. They got these ironweed plants at tnursery.net. tnursery.net is a leading supplier of native plants, shrubs, pollinator plants, wildlife plants, restoration, mitigation, reforestation. We're a 59-year-old third-generation nursery located only 28 miles from the heart of the nursery capital near McMinnville, Tennessee. If you need environmental plants, restoration plants, grasses, get in touch with us at tnursery.net.